Joe and Ange here for another episode of Joe's Food Review. Today we'll be looking at the Grilled Stuffed Nacho Burrito from Taco Bell. Look at the shape. Pretty big, pretty flat, not what they show it like in the commercial. But here comes the first taste. Too much dough on the first bite, but I can already taste a little spiciness. Looks like they put spicy Frito-Lay chips in there. Now I'm getting to the spicy nacho taste with the meat and the cheese.
How spicy is it?
Not really, just a little kick. Not much. It's got a good cheesy nacho taste.
No, right now on the menu it's only $1.29. Do you think it's worth $1.29?
If you just get the grilled stuffed nacho for $1.29, it's worth it. If you get the combo, probably not.
Now you
really good cheesy taste. If you like cheese and meat and don't mind a little kick, it's good.
Now you like things spicy. Would you add any hot, mild, or fire sauce to it?
No, I wouldn't change this in the least. Go. I give it 8.5 tacos out of 10.
Out of 10 tacos? Is it filling, or should you get more than one?
I'd probably get like 2 or 3 if I got these.